2024, Jamaica May Y. Bagistan.
O, dahan-dahan lang. Basta ka lang magnaman ako ha.
Maika is the daughter of Miss Jonaline Yulo. She is 9 years old, a grade 3 pupil, under my advisory. Marching around the hall is our Miss Wisdom 2024. Jamaica May Yulo, Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, marching towards the stage is our Miss Wisdom 2024, Jamaica May Yulo, Pakistan. Let's give her a warm round of applause.